Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and remember the notification bell. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate. So in today's video, I'm going to cut and sew simple flared sleeve. And I'm going to sew this brown material on the sleeve. I fold into two. I will fold again this way into four. After folding into four, I'm going to mark here. This is where I will sew on the armhole. This way. I'm going to mark like this. The measurement I'm going to use for the sleeve is 16.5 inches. This is 16.5 inches. I will use the remaining one to hem. I will sew this from here to here to the shoulder and here on the armhole. This is where I will sew on the armhole, and this place from here to here on the shoulder. This place I will make pleats or gather on the shoulder this way, and I will sew here on the armhole. 6 inches. I have 6 inches remaining here. It's a simple flared sleeve. So I'm going to cut. I will cut here and here. I will open this place. This is the armpit area, stroke the armhole and to the shoulder. So it will come like this. I'm going to sew 2 steps for this sleeve. I've already cut 2. I'm going to sew on top the one I just finished cutting. So I fold the same way like this one. After folding into 4, just like the first one, I will place this one on top this way. I have this 6 inches. This is the one I'm going to cut now. This one. This is the one I'm going to cut. (11.5 inches). So I'm going to mark I will cut here. This is the one I just cut. And the first one. I'm going to cut this one now. The material I use is a little bit more than 1.5 inch for the 2 sleeve. I'm going to cut this one. I cut 1.5 inch. So I don't know how many inches I'm going to use. I just cut according to. So I'm going to mark before I start my sewing. I'm going to sew this on top this place, and the second line. This one will stay on top. I'm going to start to sew now. As you can see, the shape is like a canoe shape. After finish sewing on the shoulder and on the armhole, it will give me the flesh shape. I'm done sewing. I will iron. I will go and sew here, just like the way I started with this line. I will place, I will go and sew these two together. I will sew here up to here. This is where I will sew on the armhole and the shoulder. I'm done sewing this. The sleeve will come like this. This is the final sewing, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, please subscribe and remember the notification bell. In that way, you'll be notified anytime I put up a video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.